Kolkata, the city of Kali, and the scene of Shri Ramakrishna's superhuman spiritual play. Here, the Ganga is broad and swift and detached. She moves with a one-pointed determination which suggests that a long-sought destination is near. Mr. Kushal Chaudhary, Secretary of the Dakshineshwar Temple, expressed his views on the Ganga.
As I said earlier, very categorically, that if the Ganga dies, means the India dies, the civilizations dies. Ganga is may call as alive, but apart from that, millions of peoples of India believe that the Ganga manifested as our mother. They prayed, they take their bath, they take the water for their worships. So on the whole, from cultivation to life, Ganga should be maintained properly.
The journey to Ganga Sagar is through the paddy fields, lotuses and fish ponds of West Bengal. Here the fields were inundated with water. Ducks sat on the hedges between them. Palms leaned into the fields while banana trees fanned out along the edges. Through the foliage was visible the long sweeps of low thatched roofs and the smooth walls of mud huts. On the boat that takes you on the final part of the journey, the pilgrims are visibly excited. From all over India they have come. And one spontaneous unified shout of Jai Gange Maa arose as we took off.
हमारे ऐसा असर पड़ेगा कि जो पब्लिक अभी दर्शन के लिए तरस रही है उसका कोई महत्व नहीं होगा, बाद में वो सब चीज़ें बंद हो जाएगी धीरे धीरे। अपने संस्कृत खत्म हो गई, हिंदू संस्कृति गंगा की खत्म, उसका महत्व ही क्या रहा?
The broad stretch of ocean at Ganga Sagar is different from anything one has seen or expected to see of the Ganga. No river in the history of humankind has been so worshipped as she has. Travelling along her path, it is as if the entire nation stood on the banks with folded hands, paying her homage as she passed. Here she is visible as a thin brown line across a foamy grey sea. If to the Himalayas she gifted spirituality, here in the plains, as she finally deposits her silt, creating the largest delta in the world, the last blessing of abundance is given. But now she looks fragile. A long journey has ended. We spoke to the people there.
आप कहाँ के रहने वाले?
नेपाल।
नेपाल के रहने वाले।
नेपाल के सिराज लाहन से आए। हमको ऐसे लगेगा कि एक माँ को सुरंग में डाल रहे हैं, इसलिए हम उसको विरोध में कुछ कर सकते हैं।
कल को आपको पता चले कि इसको सुरंग में डाल रहे हैं तो आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया होगी? आपको कैसा लगेगा इस पे? आप
बहुत खराब लगेगा। मतलब जो मन में जिसके लिए श्रद्धा हो वो चीज़ गायब हो या कोई उसके लिए कुछ करे तो बहुत गलत लगेगा।
One looks back and realizes how much she has seen, how much endured from the icebound glaciers to the lonely mountain passes, through mystic cities, pilgrimages, alongside the peasant's hut and king's palace, and finally through Calcutta, where it seems she is so calm and withal so purposeful. All along she blessed, she enriched, she purified. Now a long, long journey has ended. Does the mother look weary? Perhaps. She enters so silently, so indistinctly into the vast, boisterous ocean. Perhaps it is simply the absorption of final union. At this place, people congregate in lakhs. And here we pay homage to that principle of unending giving, that epitome of love, that nearest thing unto divinity, the heart of the Great Mother.
नमो गंगे माता जपधुरति ब्याणी उठी कतोई दुई हाथ जोड़ी करद प्रणाम देखी
तोई भगीरथ राजाना करी बड़ी तपस्या तेरी है माँ प्रसन्न हुए कमा छोटी थई ब्रह्मा का मंडल बेटी भगीरथ राजा का दगड़ दगड़ी चमकंदी बगी तभी ताहे माँ जी तेरो नाम पड़ी श्री भागीरथी सुगंधी फूलों की तपोवन की घाटी पूजा दी तोई हिमालय का गोदा गौ मुख बिटी ना प्रगट हुई जखायों का पिंडा बगण तट छोड़ी चमकणा शिलाखंडा सारा बणक जन संता निरखणा तेरी शोभा देखी शिखर शिवलिंग हर्षण तेरी ही महिमा से बुझग बदारू बणो बण बड़ा भाग्यशाली मुख बक निवासी सभी जन तेरी पूजा करदा सुफल ल्यांदा देंदा पंडा बण्या दमामो रण सिंगा बजद कई ढोला धुरी गुरी कई देसी पहाड़ी तेरी जात राजोंदा दुरु बिटी गंगा सहार तेरू युग युग बिटीना कर दी पार भव सागर का दुखौना संसार क्या भी स्वर्ग विचरणों में तेरा हम भी पूजा करदा तेरी तेरा चरणों मरांदा बोलो गंगे मैया की जय।